JavaScript. It's one of the most popular programming languages today. Maybe the world is written in it. But the question is, how well do you really Hi, I'm Tony Alicea. I'm a 15-year veteran of web application development and user experience design, and welcome to this course. This course is on JavaScript. Let's be clear, right from the start. This course is not about making a web page interactive in jQuery. A different paradigm. This course will help you to understand that. And while many programmers learning JavaScript or using JavaScript find some of its elements as they dig into the more advanced features odd or difficult to learn or weird, you're going to find that when you truly understand it, understand how JavaScript works and why it works the way it does, you'll discover that JavaScript is a deceptively powerful and beautiful programming language. And that's one of the reasons why it's so popular. Now that actually leads to my philosophy when it comes to learning code. My philosophy is this: don't imitate, understand. The biggest mistake I think people make in designing programming courses and in looking for programming courses in very basic JavaScript knowledge as you come into this course. So you understand what a JavaScript file is, variables, functions, basic understanding of functions. We're going to dive much deeper into functions through this course, and loops. Just the very basic knowledge a beginning programmer might have. If you have that, you're good to go. So let's get started. We'll dive in, and I think you'll come to appreciate this beautiful programming language, JavaScript, all the more. Let's understand JavaScript. Let's get started.